Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. In today's video, we're going to make chicken nuggets with a ranch dipping sauce. Let's combine all the ingredients that we saw earlier. 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup sour cream, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a dash of ginger, a pinch of salt, and some pepper to taste. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are incorporated, but when you mix it, try and fold it in instead of going in a circular motion. This will help your ranch dipping sauce to be creamy and fluffy. I apologize for the first part of this video. I don't know why the layout got distorted, but it will get better in a few minutes. So this is how it looks like after I move the ingredients, and you can just put this straight in the refrigerator. This next step, putting in more spices, is an optional addition to your dipping sauce. You are welcome to do it, or if you opt out of it, it's fine too. I'm just adding in a tablespoon of the fresh ingredients, mint, parsley, and cilantro. This helps with the aroma. So our ranch dipping sauce is done. We're going to cover it with a saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes while we're making our chicken nuggets. That looks good. So excited. So now that we're done with our dip, it's time to prepare our chicken. I have a pound of chicken, ground chicken. I'm adding in salt, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, nor, half of the nor chicken cube, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground ginger. For our binder, we will add a cup of panko breading. You can also shred some bread that's sitting in your counter for a day or two. That is also really good to use in this recipe. If you're going to use some bread, make sure that you shred it really finely with a food processor, or chop it in small pieces. Alright, with very clean hands or wearing a glove, just mix everything just like this. In another bowl, we will add a cup of flour, add our pepper, half a teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, paprika, a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then mix everything just like this. And then now we're going to grab another bowl for our panko breading. I'm using the plain panko breading because I'm putting all the seasoning in there. I don't want the flavor to be so overwhelming. So, but if you want seasoned one, then yeah, you can go ahead and do that too. So I'm adding a cup of panko. So heat your oil to 350 degrees. I am using a small ice cream scooper to shape our chicken nuggets into squares. You can shape your nuggets into whatever shape you want, but I'm just doing the typical square chicken nuggets shape. Regular store-bought chicken nuggets. Put it in your breading. And then into your eggs. And to your panko. try and move them around so they won't get burned.